You like it?
Nice, Yasha. We have the video.
Liam. Hey, Liam, you like it? Son.
Finish.
Finish.
Finish, Liam.
You like it?
You like it? Last.
Oh, kalas.
Only for that fight.
Yeah.
Follow the Rida. Follow the Rida. Hey, Liam, shoes. Shoes.
Liam ah.
Sam, shoes. Here. I want that 10 dirham you gave.
How much?
No, please, only one that one. I'll just add that 10 dirham.
What is that merry-go-round?
That one.
Liam, you want to ride? You want to ride?
If you give them a chance, they'll ride everything.
How much is it?
Will you add 10 dirham here to get the pot, yeah? When you add 10
How much? I have here.
Huh?
I have here.
No, don't worry. I have 50 first.
Now we're going this one, Liam.
You want to ride? Auntie give you a ride.
Just that Liam wants
See?
this one.
See, Liam? Auntie give you a
One
ride.
person wants that one, one person wants that one. Liam, this one. Look, Liam, the horse.
Liam, the horse is there. Come. No, no. Wow. Nyasha. Liam. Hold properly, Liam, okay? Nyasha. Liam, Andy. Nyasha. Liam. Hold the horse. Liam, hold the horse, hold. Right. He's scared. Don't be scared, Liam. What is this, Liam? Liam. Woo, Liam. Liam, mommy's here. Nyasha. Hindi, yung maliit lang. I'm here. Hey. Liam spinning. Liam. Liam, it's Happy Moon spinning. It's Happy Moon. No. Yes, yes, ready, ready. Ah, get ready. Relax, Liam, relax. Nyasha, smile. Nyasha. Smile, Nyasha. Liam. Hey. Hey. Hey, big boy.
He wants to ride airplane.
Ah.
If you don't ride this alone without Mama, how you ride airplane?
Hey, hey, hey. Liam.
It's not open. Yeah, it needs money. You need to put money to open. Let's go home.
Let's go home now.
Huh?
Enough now. We come here only for fireworks.
There's so many things for Liam. This look, that one.
Yeah. But
Nice, yeah?
she's scared.
I guess it's not.
She's scared.
I always,
See,
I always
she's
bring her
scared.
only for 2 rides. But there's a lot of things, you know.
This one is very simple, but
Yeah,
he's
very
scared.
nice. No, he misses you. He's not scared. He's happy. Then he was happy for 2 minutes. Then when he's like, help me. Then I hold him. Then he says, wee. Then after that, I want my mom.
Yeah.
Nice, that one is nice. Look, the one in the cups there.
Okay,
Next time
girl,
we
boy. Next time we come here again.
Okay, let's go and walk
We-
a little.
we
Liam, come
prepare.
tired. No, only Chris is enough and drink. Yeah. Let's open for you, Liam. Open.
Open to auntie.
Just was packing for 2. The moment you just say Liam will come, he went to pack.
Oh.
2.
Sit down. Sit down. Uy, uy. Sit down.
Nessa doesn't want to go home. She would rather sit there.
I thought he will cry for this too much loud fireworks.
Liam, how are the fireworks? Nice?
It's nice, Liam, fireworks.
You've explained to that.
Mommy.
Yeah, he will.
No,
explain.
drink first and crisp. No sweets here at Nyasha.
Yeah, yeah.
Losing your teeth
It's
because of that.
yeah. You remove the second teeth.
Yeah, today. Go and get your bag. Look, your things. The cleaner will bring them. Bring your
Sit
bag.
down, Liam. Eating,
Liam,
sit
your
down.
drink.
Sit.
The way. Thank you.
Sit down,
Where's
Liam.
your sweets?
down here.
Ah!
Sit down here.
It's like a picnic. Take one thing at a time. Leave this, you can't eat now. It's yours. Nobody will eat.
Liam, Nyasha dancing, Liam. Liam, dance with Nyasha. No spinning, no.
Don't spin around there. Try to go here.
No, dance only, dance. Dance there. Come here. Come here.
Let's go home. Tomorrow is church. I'll leave you sleeping.
Come here, Liam. Liam enjoying today. Yay. Liam. Why disturbing? Come here, Liam. Ugly. Did you enjoy it? Did you say auntie thank you?
Let's go, Liam.
Huh?
Chop, chop. Chop, 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 chop. Back to home.
Uy. Psst. Watch your step. Watch your step. Finish?
We didn't even go with him there because I know you'll be tired. I don't want you to walk long distance.
Yeah.
That's the center of it.
Yeah, there's a
That's the
fountain.
center of it.
There's a fountain also that side.
Yeah. That is the center of everything. But I just
Finish?
came with kids, so.
Done? Okay, don't wipe your clothes.